All right, Brittany, now we're done lying, right? I know your real name. We know you stole something. Do you have anything else that you try to use a stolen credit card, right? Right?
Yeah.
You stole. All right, so.
2 theft calls, 1 suspect, 22 criminal charges from a single airport encounter. Before any verdict, one question must come first. At each decision point, did the law actually hold? The answer requires examining every constitutional layer. That analysis begins now.
What exactly happened inside the store? That you said you were trying to buy something in the store over there.
Well, I went in the dressing room, and so the lady was really rude to me. Like, I don't know if I look like I don't have money or what. So I went in the dressing room and was in there. I had like 5 or 6 outfits. She came and knocked on the door. I was like, yeah. She was like, are you okay? I was like, yeah. She's like, well, there's some other people that are wanting to try on some clothes. And I was like, okay, I'm slow, right? So I came out, got a different size, went back, tried them on, came back out, went to the counter to pay. There was a sweater that was like $325.
A sweater that was what?
A cashmere sweater. It was like $325. The jeans were like $168. It was $500.
What's your first name again?
My first name?
Yeah.
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Can you mind showing us your stuff to see if that sweater's in there?
Yeah, no, I don't
Is it
mind
here?
showing you at all.
Yeah, please. Thank you, Stephanie.
She has the sweater at the desk.
She has a sweater?
Yes.
So you didn't take anything out of there that you shouldn't have taken?
Absolutely, no.
Yeah,
she has it all.
Okay. We appreciate if you let us see it.
And I left all this stuff.
I got you. That's all your stuff?
Yes,
Do you mind if we look?
Nope.
All right. And it's not in like the pillowcase or anything in here? You didn't? So what was it? Just a cashmere sweat? Here, just take it off so you can see, please. And you're flying out today?
Yeah.
Where are you flying to?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. You have a ticket? So you were in the change thing. You said she was being rude. Then what else happened?
She was really rude. And I asked her, the other girl, I said, are you the manager? And she said, no, I am. And I said, well, you've been really rude to me. And I said, I don't really feel like that I should spend my money here the way you've treated me.
Okay.
And I don't know if she got mad or what.
And you didn't take anything?
Absolutely not. I would like to confront them.
You mind if we look in the other bag down here? All right, we appreciate it. Yeah, we want. Obviously, you know, that's what they're saying. That's we only have half the story.
Like, accusers don't have the right to know what I'm being accused of.
Stealing.
Yeah, stealing.
And who's accusing me though?
The store owner over there. That's who they're talking to over there. My partner's talking to them over
Is
there.
it a woman, a guy?
Well, I have to find out. My partner's talking to them, so I don't know exactly, but someone called.
She got mad.
Yeah, listen, if that's what it is, that's
She was
fine.
treating me bad.
I got you, but we just have to double. You understand? We're the police. We got to double check.
She was treating me like shit, like I didn't have money.
I got you.
So then I called my sugar daddy and was like, can you wire $500 over here? This lady's treating me bad, and I just want to show her that I have it. And then I was like, no.
So I see that you have a wallet there. You sure you don't have any ID?
I'm positive.
Okay.
Did they get anything back?
No, I was waiting on the.
Yeah. So listen, like I said, until we figure it out, you're just gonna have to stand by. But they're talking to them over there.
What's your name?
Stephanie?
Stephanie. I need that wallet.
What wallet?
That brown wallet from this morning. Okay, come clean with me. Okay.
The what?
You got dropped off at the airport this morning, right?
What state are you from?
Okay, let me read you your right first before I ask you more questions. Okay. Okay, Stephanie. You were dropped off by the Lyft driver this morning, is that correct? Okay. And you were dropped off right by Blue Departure, right by American Airlines?
Dropped off.
Blue Departures, American Airlines by American Airlines.
Where did the Lyft driver drop you off at?
I don't know exactly.
You don't remember?
No.
Okay. Okay. When the vehicle stopped, you stay in the vehicle. The driver got out. Okay. And when he returned, he's missing his wallet. Where is it right now?
His wallet was laying in the back seat of the car.
Okay. Okay.
Do you mind if we look in the?
No, I'll
No.
give it to you.
No, you got it. We know you got it.
Yeah.
Okay. There was also $20 in the middle, in the center console. Where is it? The reason why we make contact with you because we already know what happened. Okay, we saw it. All
I
right.
didn't steal anything out of the store.
Okay.
And I just picked that wallet up because it was laying there.
Did you make a couple attempts to charge his credit card?
I did.
You did. Okay. Now we get where we going. Okay. Come clean with me. Okay. Which card did you try to use?
I try to use them all.
You try to use them all?
declined.
All?
Yeah.
Okay. You know these are not yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm glad that they were declined.
Well, they are declined because security and also because he frees them all, right? But you know it's not yours. You shouldn't be taking it, right? Okay.
You mind sending that down for us? Just a second.
One for you. We recover the wallet she admitted to commit the crime. She's 10-15.
Hey, what's going on? So, this lady from before, what's the deal with her?
Okay, this is her receipt.
That's her receipt?
But she tried to pay those and the card get declined.
That's a lot of
And
stuff.
decline. But
Oh, that's from it getting declined. That's not just items.
Yeah.
I
I
understand.
feel like that's like a man's name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you asked her about it?
No, I just realized it when I cancel everything because she tried to buy it, the decline. She only one of the cards get approved for only like $2 and something.
I gotcha.
So then she said, "No, I don't want it. You've been rude to me. I don't want to spend my money here, whatever." I say, "Okay."
You guys have all your merchandise, right? Because we looked through her stuff and I didn't see anything.
Okay, let me check. This one.
Can I take this?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you remember me? Or you need
What happened?
I can make a copy.
Yeah, no, we'll whatever you want to do.
So, one of this one is the one I think that I'm missing.
Because we'll double check when we look through her stuff. That's what you think you're missing?
Because she tried this one and the dark one and a pair of pants. And when she walked away at the fitting room, I asked her, "What is the other piece?"
Like I said, we looked through her stuff and I didn't see it.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know. But
No, yeah.
I got you. We'll double check.
I think got it on dispatch. She has no deal.
No, we definitely got idea. But I'm gonna look through your stuff again. You're positive you didn't take their sweater?
Positive.
You're 100%.
I'm 100%.
All right. It's like I took a picture of what it is. They think they're not sure. But
She has a wallet. It was inside one of her bags.
yeah. Yeah, so I have this was it?
No.
Oh, okay. Stephanie, right? Stephanie? We're not getting anything back on your ID. So you give me a fake name, right? Brittany? $35, copy of Kentucky DL by number. All right, Brittany, now we're done lying, right? I know your real name. We know you stole something. Do you have anything else that from there so we can get it now? You haven't been honest with me, and I don't appreciate it. You understand? So that's it, just that?
Yeah.
Are we positive? 100%. When we search this, we're not going to find any of these.
Oh, I'm the bond.
You have to see the judge. You know, you're going to have a couple felony charges though from all this. You try to use a stolen credit card, right? Right?
Yeah.
You stole. All right. So we're going to have to figure this out. Just give us a sec. Brittany, again, like I said, I don't appreciate being lied to.
I understand.
Do you have any drugs on you? We're going to find it, and it's going to be super annoying if we find it over there. Do you understand? Do you have drugs on you, Brittany?
There
See,
is, yeah.
again, Brittany, I don't appreciate being lied to.
Well, I'm telling you now.
Okay. What's in there?
There's a crystal meth.
Okay. Okay. Do you have drugs on your persons, in your bra, in your underwear? I'm having a female officer come up here. She's going to search you
We
too.
might as well just stick me in a home cell and then
Yeah, you know what? With all this, let's do that while we figure this out. That might be for the best. You want to bring all this stuff downstairs?
Yeah.
I'll have Dastis meet us here. We'll take her in the car, and Dastis will pat her down, and then we'll put her. Yeah.
I'll take these.
Yeah, just because it's
So much stuff.
yeah, and we've got a couple things we just got to sort out. But yeah, that's probably a good idea, Dewey.
Can
gonna
I
be a
get my
while.
vape and make a phone call?
No, right now.
Yeah.
He's gonna go with you to the jail, okay? And we'll see what else you can take. Okay?
Yeah.
But a lot of these gonna be in our lost and found.
And you're lost and found.
Yeah, and then you have 60 days.
Well, Brittany, we've got time where we'll let you know. We're not going to take your stuff without you knowing where it is. But you got to give us a sec because we got to do a lot of paperwork now. Okay?
Well, I'm getting a free ride home, huh?
Free ride to the jail.
Yep, and then a free ride back to Kentucky. Kentucky.
Kentucky.
This is Florida. Y'all probably have way bigger stuff than
I
this.
agree. This is an
That
absolute.
goes on
But
all the
this
time.
is something.
I'm going to be
it's on
honest.
your-
This is a complete waste of time. You are wasting our time.
But you put yourself in this situation, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately.
I'm sorry.
Going down. It is what it is. Listen, I don't like to give people hard times, and don't give me hard times. I would appreciate you don't give us any more of a hard time. And that means just telling us the truth. That's all I want, the truth. That's all I care about.
I got her luggage out. I got her little Aldi bag out, and I opened her door, trying to be a gentleman. Hey, do you need some help or anything? She said, no. I opened the other door, and I said, look, you got some more stuff. I can help you carry it to the bag and put it there. And she said, oh yeah, take this. But for some reason, she kept her pillow in a blankety, and she was hiding something. I wasn't sure. I didn't want to question her because, we already had like a bad vibe at first, like, okay, whatever. So I check her out, and in my head, I'm like, one less person to worry. I'm ready to go home and not worry about anything else. I'll go to exit 224 to fill up my gas, and I open the compartment because I know my wallet was there because a passenger before her, it was there, and I confirmed it.
Where exactly in your?
You know how they got the two-seat, the driver and the passenger right in the center?
The center console?
Called console, yeah. And I know my wallet was there. So when I opened it, I'm like, oh no, why is the wallet not there? I'm looking for the $20. I'm like, okay, it's not there. So I checked the whole car because I know I did not move it, but hey, just in case, you never know.
Yeah.
I start getting notification on the phone that my car being used, which I'm going to show you the notification.
Yeah, if you can send those to me, I'd appreciate it, that your card is being used. You should be good. Like I said, it was 100%
I hope
her.
you didn't use my radio block.
She ended up admitting it to us. I just want.
Fourth Amendment, Schneckloth v. Bustamante, 412 U.S. 218 1973. A warrantless search is constitutionally valid when consent is freely and voluntarily given. The government bears no burden to prove the subject knew she had the right to refuse. Every search conducted in this encounter satisfies this standard without exception. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1968, and Berkham v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420 1984. A temporary investigatory stop does not constitute custody for Miranda purposes. Voluntary statements made during pre-arrest detention are admissible without prior advisement. The statements made about the store incident before Miranda was read are legally sound evidence. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436 1966. Rights advisement must precede custodial interrogation. Advisement was delivered immediately before questioning about the wallet. This timing is constitutionally precise. Every admission that followed, including the admission to attempting all stolen cards, carries full evidentiary weight. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213 1983. Probable cause is assessed through totality of circumstances. 2 independent theft complaints, same subject, same location, each corroborated by physical evidence. The Gates standards was satisfied before formal arrest. The detention was constitutionally authorized at every stage. Davis v. Alaska, 415 U.S. 308 1974. The Sixth Amendment Confrontation Clause attaches at trial, not during investigation. A suspect's demand to face an accuser during active pre-arrest inquiry has no constitutional foundation. Officers bore no legal obligation to comply with this request. Florida Statute Section 817.61. Fraudulent credit card use more than twice within 6 months constitutes a third-degree felony, up to 5 years per count. Under Florida criminal attempt doctrine, the completed transaction is irrelevant to culpability. Each declined attempt is a completed and chargeable offense. Admitting to attempting every card in the stolen wallet eliminates any defense of mistake or good faith. Florida Statute Section 812.014, Subdivision 2E. Petit theft in the first degree covers property valued between $100 and $750. The cashmere sweater at $320 and the smart glasses at $321 arise from 2 separate acts of taking 2 independent counts, not one incident. It's a Florida Statute Section 901.36, false name to law enforcement, first-degree misdemeanor. Florida Statute Section 817.568, possession of another person's identification documents, third-degree felony. The act of deception and the instruments enabling it are charged separately under Florida law. One encounter, two independent offenses, two separate sentencing tracks. Florida Statute Section 893.13, methamphetamine as Schedule 2 and alprazolam without prescription as Schedule or. Each constitute separate third-degree felonies. Cannabis resin and concentrate are treated more severely than cannabis flower under Florida law and carry equivalent felony exposure. 3 drug categories, 3 independent counts, 3 separate sentencing calculations. The legal lesson embedded in this encounter is structural. Voluntary statements without Miranda advisement become evidence regardless of the speaker's intent. The right to remain silent carries maximum legal value before charges form, not after. Consent to search once given cannot be withdrawn based on what is subsequently found. These are not procedural technicalities. They are the operative law of this encounter. 6 felonies, 16 misdemeanors. The charges are filed. But the courtroom raises an entirely different set of questions. Which admissions survive a suppression hearing on Miranda grounds? Which counts require severance for trial? Can the state prove each individual credit card count beyond reasonable doubt? Does the false name charge merge with the fraud charges under Florida lesser included offense doctrine? The legal story does not end at arrest. It begins there.